Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Vince Southblessed, and this is just a quick update on the game that I'm making that's going to be coming out on Nintendo Switch, holographic displays, and on desktop PCs. So in the run up to making these videos, I had already created what I'm calling my holographic gaming suite, which is basically just a way that I can make one set of code and then put it out onto all of those different platforms. Then I actually made the physical game itself in terms of the core mechanics. I managed to get through all of that in the last few months, which was actually the inspiration to me making these videos, knowing how far I've actually come. And so at the moment, what I've been working on is the UI system. So this is the user interface. So this is selection screens, this is the buttons, this is how you change different options, this is how you'll do level select, all of those sorts of things. So UI is kind of like the thankless job. If you make a good UI system, most of the time that means that people aren't mentioning your UI system. And so initially I'd created a set of code where I was going to be making it completely from scratch and making certain like selectable elements. In the end, I decided to use a few different people's set kind of packages that they'd made, just because it looked very slick, and they'd already made it so that it interacted between gamepads and mouse and keypad. So they had quite like an innovative system that I enjoyed using. So I thought, okay, this is going to be the one aspect which I'm just going to get directly from somebody else, but I still had to completely customize it so that I could work with Nintendo Switch, because nothing comes out of the packet that works with Nintendo Switch. So I've been working on that for a few weeks. I'd got myself to a nice place where the system would understand, is it on a PC, is it on a hologram, is it in Nintendo? I can change settings based on that. But the real issues that I was having is around how you navigate the UI system. So if a certain screen comes up, you've got different options, how to navigate through it. I've been having quite a few issues on that. So I've actually been stuck on it for like less than a week, but it's been a while since something's got me stuck for days. And yeah, kind of going back and forth, but I managed to get it to a certain level today where the system was just working how I think it should meant to. Tried it on the Switch and it didn't work. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. So like, share, and subscribe. Keep up with the updates, and I hope you're having a blessed day, and I hope you have a blessed year.
Yo, finish, but go.